Well, it's Dynodaze time again, and this is a Milano Red EP3 with some modifications. I have got a form somewhere to tell us all those modifications, but we'll probably go through that at the end. Just strapped it down to the dyno. Got to do a standard power run. Customers supplied his own ECU, so it's already got a base file on there, and we're just going to do our tuning bit. He's brought his laptop with him, so time to get cracking. I like red ones, and this has got quite a nice carbon fibre front lip, and yeah, it does look quite aggressive. Right, let's make some noise. Good morning, Richard.
Good morning.
How are you on this lovely wet morning?
It's not too wet out there, is it?
It's pretty wet.
Oh, okay.
It's pretty wet. This car's pretty wet.
Oh, I didn't realise it. It was sort of drizzling a little bit when I got this car in, but I didn't realise it was pouring it down there.
Do you know how many cars we've got back today? I just want to point this out at the very start of the day.
3. Well, 4.
4.
4. Better get on with it then.
Yeah, I suppose so. Here we go. EP3, Rich.
Right, red EP3. DC Sports exhaust manifold, 2.25 inch spoon rep exhaust. I think it's got the RRC in there on it, has it not?
Well, the full, I think the form's in the office, mate.
Oh, is it? Okay.
It's got a throttle body on it.
I would hope it has, yeah.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying.
Yeah, so uprated throttle body. It's got the Teguve cold air induction kit with the scoop, which I'm sure you're all aware by now. It's not necessarily my favourite. Yeah, this car I think potentially has the potential to make 240 with a few little mod changes. I think possibly the exhaust is what's holding us back today. We discussed that with the customer. I think again, if it was a Teguve 70mm or a 3-inch, we'd have made the 240. But it's done 230. I'm relatively happy with that. We've made power across
Yeah, it's
the
great,
range.
ain't it?
It's done really well. Customer didn't want pops and bangs as such, but like a little flame and overrun, so I've tried my best to do that.
It worked.
Yeah, and
Nearly lit me up.
Dan's done some videoing, so that's good. So we'll have that on the video.
It's my favourite part of the whole job, you know.
Yeah, I think that's about it. Should we have a look at the graph?
Come on, we got lots to do. Okay, so as we always say, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. There's quite a considerable punch added in the mid-range there. We've revved it out to 8.6, lowered the Vtec somewhat, and we finished today on what I think is an impressive 230 brake horsepower, which I'm quite impressed with. I do like this car. It's actually been here before with a previous owner, so we had a preliminary run from a few years ago when it made 216. So, but yeah, it's done really, really well. It's got a carbon fibre splitter that I quite like. I quite like that. I might have to get one. But yeah, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And we'll see you on the... Hey, Rich! Rich! Yeah? We'll see you on the next one, won't we? We will indeed.
Light was pretty fast.